Hey, welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss that which PSUs have advertised their vacancies for law officers via CLAT PG 2022 examination, and we'll see what are the eligibility conditions and vacancies and how can you apply for them. So let's start this video. So firstly, we are going to talk about what all PSUs have advertised till now. Please understand that there may be many PSUs that could advertise for CLAT PG 2022 because till now only 2 PSUs have come through this. So right now there is ONGC Corporation Limited which has advertised its vacancies, and there is THDC India Limited which has also advertised vacancies for law officers via CLAT PG 2022 examination. So first we'll understand that what are the conditions for being eligible to apply for ONGC via CLAT PG 2022 examination. So ONGC has given a detailed notification laying down about the whole recruitment process. The link for the same is given in the description box, so you can check out more details from that. In this video, we are only going to take a look at the important things like eligibility and vacancy. So ONGC has advertised the post of Assistant Legal Advisor, and the educational qualification that is required is a graduate degree in law with minimum 60% marks. Additionally, they have also prescribed that practicing advocates with 3 years of experience will be given preference, but that is still only an additional qualification. The only essential qualification that is required for you to be eligible is a graduate degree in law with at least 60% marks. The number of posts are also visible on your screen. There are 2 vacancies for the unreserved category. There's one for SC and one for EWS. So in total, there are 4 vacancies that are there for the post of Assistant Legal Advisor in ONGC. Now the age limit is also given on your screen. For unreserved and EWS, it is 30 years. For SCs, it is 35 years. And for PWD, it is 40 years. Now coming to the most important question of how to apply to ONGC for this particular post. So you have to understand that since these recruitments are happening via CLAT PG 2022, which means that they are going to be accepting the scorecards of CLAT PG 2022, and that will be used as a basis for shortlisting applicants for the further process like group discussion and personal interview. So firstly and foremostly, you of course have to apply for CLAT PG 2022, and after that in the notification itself, it has been clarified that the ONGC will be publishing another advertisement to invite applications from candidates who have appeared for this exam. So now the exact dates have not been disclosed yet. So the exact date and period of going live of the online applications will be intimated by a notification on the website of ONGC itself. So you don't have to worry right now. All you have to do is you have to apply for CLAT PG 2022, and then whenever ONGC updates the notification section with respect to how and when to apply for ONGC separately, then you can do that. So this is how you can go about the whole process for ONGC. More details can be accessed through the link given in the description box. Now coming to the second PSU that is advertised till now, that is THDC India Limited. This is also going to accept the scorecard of CLAT PG 2022. Now the vacancies are on your screen. There are 3 separate posts that have been advertised for the purposes of law graduates. The second post is important, that is Executive Trainee Law. The total number of vacancies are 5. 3 are unreserved, 1 is OBC and 1 is EWS. The eligibility criteria is also on your screen. The essential qualification is a full-time or regular graduate degree in law with 60% marks, or a 5-year integrated course with 60% marks. There's another qualification that first of all, overall percentage of marks in the law graduate degree should be 60%, and additionally there also has to be a requirement of 65% marks in 12th and 10th examination. So please read this carefully, and if you satisfy these criteria of 10th, 12th and your law degree examination, then do apply for this particular PSU as well. Coming to the selection criteria, the selection criteria is the same, although in the notification they have given details about how the whole process will happen. For us, what is important to know is that a valid score of CLAT PG 2022 exam will be considered. So there is some confusion with many aspirants because the THDC notification also mentions about the scorecard of UGC NET June attempt 2022. But please understand the NET scorecard is only necessary for the posts of human resource and public relations. For law, as you can see on your screen, CLAT 2022 exam as conducted by consortium of NLU scorecard is going to be valid. So the application process is the same. You will have to apply first for CLAT PG 2022 examination, and then for THDCIL a separate notification will come and there will be registrations that will happen. And according to what they have mentioned in the notice, it says that the link for opening of online registration for THDCIL will be activated after availability of admit card for UGC NET and CLAT 2022. So you don't have to apply for this exam right now. You need to fill your form for CLAT PG 2022 first, and then when the admit card will be released for that exam, after that you will have to keep checking the website for THDCIL because they will be opening the online registration separately for THDCIL. So please understand that in both the exams, you first have to apply for CLAT PG and only then you will be eligible. But please also know that you will not be eligible automatically. You will have to separately fill out the forms and you will have to separately register for ONGC and THDCIL through their respective websites. So the consideration of your CLAT PG scorecard will not be automatic. Please be mindful of the application window that will be opening for both of these PSUs. Now, before we move on to the conclusion of this video, there's a short announcement that LLM Short Hive course is being launched by Jurisedge Academy in light of the delayed dates of CLAT, and because 2 PSUs have now come who are going to be recruiting through this very important exam. So on the screen you can see the details of what all will be available for this course. So there will be basics video, there will be 1400 plus pages of online study material covering all the important LLM subjects. There will be 700 pages of online case briefs of important judgments which are very relevant for CLAT PG 2022 exam. There will be 30 online comprehension mocks and there will be 30 online MCQ mocks. There will also be subjective answer guide if you are also appearing for IELTS PG 2022 examination. So this brings us to the end of our video. Please do keep checking the job updates on different websites for future recruitments via CLAT PG 2022 because so far only 2 PSUs have advertised, but there may be more PSUs that might come and hire through the CLAT PG 2022 examination. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.